Welcome to another episode of Las Vegas and Beyond. Today is a special Friday edition of Walk Around Wednesday. Walk Around Wednesday, or just exactly what it sounds like, walking around, this time with the 360 camera. That's right, you will get to enjoy Las Vegas in 360 mode. If you've never used 360 before, let me show you real quick. Take your mobile device, load the YouTube app, make sure that you're in landscape mode, make sure you're also in full screen mode, and then just hit play. And the neat part is you can swipe around the screen, see where they're going, see what's around. Oh, you can even see the sky. Or you can also do it this way. Just be careful you don't hit anything. And what that'll let you do is virtually see Las Vegas. That's right. So we'll be walking from Mandalay Bay to the Excalibur, which is kind of a lonely part of the strip. I mean, you only have the three resorts there, Mandalay, Luxor, and Excalibur. But that's the first part. That'll get you used to 360. Again, as you're viewing it, don't just get locked into the forward view. Make sure that you tilt your mobile device up or swipe left or right, look behind me, look all the way around. It is pretty neat. So enjoy the video, sit back, and then I'll see you at the end of the clip. One thing real quick, when I do come to a stop sign, if I didn't say it, or a stoplight or traffic light, I will stop recording. I don't think that you really want to see, or I don't want to waste the battery while I'm waiting for the lights to change. So I'll cut those out, but let's keep walking. Today is Tuesday, it's 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We just switched over, so it is probably about 62 degrees right now on the strip, with a projected high of maybe 77. But anyway, enough. All right, enough talking. Also, comment down below how the audio sounds on this. I want to make sure that this is worth using. I will use it as a vlogging camera, but I also want to see if you're picking up a lot of sound from the streets and everything else here on the strip. Let's see. Yeah, that's totally intentional. All right, I promise not to do that again. If you've never used 360 video or viewed 360 video, which I think everyone knows how to do, but if you don't, basically you can do it one of two ways on your mobile device. And that's one I'd suggest is making the picture as large as possible and then using your fingers to swipe it around. Or if you really want to make it more of a virtual reality thing, hold your phone out in front of you or your mobile device and actually stand up and spin around. Well, not fast spin around, but spin around, and you'll actually get the same kind of view. If you have a smart TV, just use your smart TV's remote. Make sure you download the YouTube app, and then actually on your remote you can change the direction or the viewing perspective in 360 videos. Okay, that was for you guys. A little quick run so I didn't have to wait. Funny thing about vlogging with the 360 camera is the extension pole that you use so they can get a better perspective. People look at you as if you're holding an umbrella. Then they kind of look up at you and see this little square thing. You kind of try to figure it out. You'll notice their eyes will shift towards you. glass barriers here. Saw a lady over by Miracle Mile Shops doing that. Well, how did you enjoy that 360 video? I hope it was good and you liked it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. I'm okay with that, but do me a favor, leave me a comment below what you liked and what you didn't like. And also take the time, if you would, to let me know what you'd like to see in 360. I can't guarantee I will film inside the casinos because security will kick you out. Anywhere else though, we'll give it a shot. So if you haven't subscribed already, be sure you click on the subscribe button below. Also on the bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. And next Wednesday will be the walk from New York to Aria. So thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.